Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter easily. First, gather your ingredients. 1 pint of cold, heavy cream, which should contain at least 35% milk fat. This high fat content is crucial for successful butter making. You will also need a clean, empty jar with a secure lid. Optionally, have a small amount of salt ready to add for flavor if you prefer salted butter. This simple method requires minimal equipment and effort. Now, let's get to the fun part. Pour your cold, heavy cream into the clean jar, making sure not to overfill it. Secure the lid very tightly. You don't want any cream escaping. Begin shaking the jar vigorously. You'll notice the cream transforming through several stages. Initially, it will become whipped cream, then it will thicken further, and finally, after about 5 to 10 minutes of continuous shaking, it will separate into solid butter and liquid buttermilk. Once the butter and buttermilk have clearly separated, it's time to drain the liquid. Carefully pour the buttermilk into another container. It's delicious and perfect for pancakes or biscuits. Next, rinse the solid butter under cold running water. As you rinse, gently press the butter to squeeze out any remaining buttermilk. This step is vital for removing milk solids, which can cause spoilage. Continue rinsing and pressing 3 or 4 times until the water runs clear. Your homemade butter is almost ready. If you like salted butter, now is the time to add a small pinch of salt and mix it in thoroughly. Then, you can shape your fresh butter into a log, a block, or any form you prefer. For storage, place your delicious homemade butter in an airtight container. Keep it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delightful for approximately 1 to 2 weeks. Enjoy your easy, homemade butter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.